Philips air fryer transforms home cooking. It makes air the new oil. You can fry, grill, bake or roast using a tablespoon or less of oil for great tasting meals with up to 75% less fat. Cooking good food is all about quality, consistency and amazing taste. Philips air fryer is easy to use and time-saving, guaranteeing you chef-quality dishes within a matter of minutes every time. With its one-of-a-kind rapid air technology and unique starfish design, hot air circulates 360 degrees around the food, delivering perfect, evenly cooked food every time. It's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Philips air fryer is the original and the very best. The air fryer can transform many of those heavy fried dishes into stunning, light, healthy dishes that's perfect for any family, including mine.
Innovation and you. Philips.
All right, so let me understand this. The GoWise USA comes up to about 30 minutes,
Yes.
right? And I know it has a number of presets. How
Yes,
many?
there is 7 presets.
And many models come like that, pre-programmed, so
Yeah,
it takes the
exactly.
thinking away from frying.
Exactly.
In fact, there's different sizes. There's a 2.75 quart model, 3.7 quart, and 5.8 quart. And Chef, the rapid air circulation technology cooks food by circulating hot air in all directions, ensuring fast and even cooking.
Exactly.